Welcome to Masters at Wagtail. Today, we're gonna go get some lunch. So I'm over here at Camden. If any of you know about Camden, Camden has a history, and they actually made a movie about some of the things that happened throughout Camden over the years. Go to Amazon and check it out. It's called Chase Street Movie. This is a series. So in the hood, at this little bodega right across the street, they have something on the menu called the Hookup. So we're gonna go in, and last time I was here, I didn't know they had. It's not on the menu. You just gotta know that they got it, and they'll hook you up. So let's go in there, and I was curious to try the Hookup at least one time. Mira, what's on the Hookup? What's in the Hookup? You still have that? Can you make it for me? Yeah, what's in there? Whatever. What? Yeah. Yeah. No, tuna. Make it tuna. Yeah, and yeah, whatever comes in it. How do people normally get it? Yeah. Okay, that sounds good. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yep. Mackerel, I'll try it next time. It's not on the menu, you gotta ask them.
Well, let him make my camera. I will wait. Okay, I'll wait. I'm just funny about that. I'm like,
Slipstream good with the winter cheese. You gotta wear it so you have to use the baby. Slipstream good with the winter cheese. You gotta wear it so you have to use the baby. Slipstream good with the winter cheese. You gotta wear it so you have to use the baby.
Alright, so now he's gonna put chili on there he put sugar in the chili. So that's interesting. It's very interesting. Chili goes in there too. It's like a jambalaya almost. They call it the Hookup.
Good with the winter cheese. You gotta wear it so you have to use the baby.
That's good. All right, let's eat. Let's eat. So, this sucker has to weigh about 6 pounds. I kid you not, 6 or 7 pounds. How much did it cost? Well, take a look. 12 bucks. A little more than I wanted to pay for. But then again, this is a shit, excuse my French, this is a shitload of food. Damn, man, I'm gonna fall asleep after this, man. I'm gonna get niggeritis. I'm gonna be comatose for real, if I eat all this. I'm not gonna even be able to eat all this in one sitting. Look, all right, so what's in here? They topped it off with cheese and chili, right? The chili, it looked to me that they put what seems to be about a whole cup of sugar. So, I've spent some time in prison. Well, not prison, jail. The county jail, to be specific. I was only there for a week because it's a mandatory 7-day lockdown, right? So I never had the pleasure of experiencing the hookup, but it is just that. It's a hookup of whatever you can think of. So let's open it up and let's dig in and let's see how it tastes. It's probably not the healthiest. I lost my spoon, but there's another one in here. I guess this is for 2 people, but I can only eat off this once, cause unless I like it, I might eat the other half or the rest of it, but maybe I'll trash the rest of it, cause not everybody wants to eat this. But you see, this is different. You live once, you try anything once. I gotta tell you, it's not the most healthiest. Canned everything, canned chili, processed noodles, rice, mackerel, tuna. I think he said he put sausage in there. There's sazon. There's the seasoning packets from the noodles, but I only told him to put 1 in there because that's too much salt. But all right, let's dig in. He fried those noodles on the grill, and you know what? This is actually pretty good. Wait a minute. This is darn good. This is actually pretty darn good. The sugar counteracts the salt from the seasoning packet. And it's like a salty, sweet kind of taste. You know, some people like that, what's going on between the salty and sweet. It's like they have chocolate covered bacon and bacon milkshakes at Five Guys, you know. This is actually pretty good. I wouldn't say it's very healthy, but you do get your omega-3s from the fish, if that counts for something. Get yourself a hookup if you can find it. I've never heard of them selling this on the street. Only in the hood, baby. Only in the hood. The last time I had oodles and noodles, last time I had them was like 4 or 5 years ago. Maybe even longer. Last time I had mackerel, probably about around the same time, man. It's been a long time. Long time, man. I'm actually rather enjoying this. You know, I'm not a fish person, but you know what blows my mind? Mackerel and tuna is real fishy tasting and fishy smelling. You can smell the fish, but when you taste it, it doesn't have a overpowering fish kind of a taste. And he put a whole can of mackerel and a whole can of tuna in there. So for that not to taste fishy, that's pretty good. The combination of the ingredients that's in there, it just has you would have to taste it to understand. It looks probably crazy, but it's actually not that bad. Once you get into it, it's actually not that bad, and it doesn't leave a fish aftertaste or any kind of aftertaste that I've noticed. But all the ingredients together just it kind of marinates nicely. Look, but I put a dent in it. I have to say I ate almost half. Almost half. I think I'm gonna take a couple little bites and then I'm gonna trash the rest. I can't see this being good. Warming this up later in the microwave. I think I'm gonna have to give the hookup to the birds and the squirrels. They're gonna eat good today.